G'day! In this video we're going to cover how to hang a backdrop on a backdrop bar, which sits between two light stands. These are great if you don't feel confident getting up on a ladder to use something like our wall-mounted system. To start things off, grab the backdrop bar and two light stands from our studio storage area. We also have a second backdrop bar system in a bag on top of the shelves if this one is already being used. Spread the light stands out about 3 meters and extend the bar so that it reaches between the stands. The bar is telescopic and has 3 sections. You can loosen these sections by turning the bar anti-clockwise and rotating it clockwise to tighten them once they are extended. Place the bar on top of the stands and loosely screw in one end, tight enough to secure it but still loose enough to be able to swivel the bar from this point. Unscrew the screw completely from the other end, otherwise you won't be able to get the paper roll over the bar. Now grab the backdrop that you want and slide the roll over the bar so that it's unraveling from underneath. This can be done on your own, but it is definitely easier to do with 2 people. Place the bar on top of the light stand once again, and finally you can tighten the screws in on both ends to lock everything in place. This is a good point to also pop some shop bags on the light stands to keep everything nice and stable. Get an A-clamp from the shelves and undo the masking tape. While holding the roll securely, start to unravel the paper from one of the ends. Have a second person pull the backdrop while the first person controls the rate at which it unravels. You want to pull out the amount of paper that you're going to need to use, which will depend on whether you are having your subject stand in front of it or you're placing it along the floor. If using it solely as a background, around 3 meters will be fine, and if you're planning to stand on it, aim for around 6 to 7 meters. Once you've achieved the desired length, slowly roll it back along the floor, but don't let go of it completely or it will likely cause the paper to kink. Clamp the paper at the end of the roll and put the clamp on the front, as clamping from the back will also cause the paper to kink. Now, with a person on each side, you can raise the height of the light stand slowly, starting from the top extension and working your way down until the desired height is reached. Unroll the backdrop along the ground once more, and secure the corners with some shop bags and the front lip with some rubber mats. Once you've finished, trim off any paper you've used, but try and trim as little as possible as it doesn't go very far. I trim about 30 centimeters in front of the rearmost mark, meaning there will still be some marks left on the paper, but these will be covered up by the mats on the next shoot. When lowering the stands, it can be easy to kink the paper. To avoid doing this, go slowly by pulling the paper out as far as possible and securing it down with a shop bag. Lower the height of the stands as far as you can without causing it to kink, and then repeat this process of pulling the paper out and lowering the stands until the bar is low enough for you to reach. Get 3 pieces of masking tape ready and roll the paper back by spinning the roll. Once you get to the end, you can pull it taut by holding onto the roll while also pulling down on the paper, and then secure it with some tape. Do this once again for the other side, and then finish by popping some tape in the middle. Remove the screw that holds the bar to the light stand once more so that you can slide the backdrop off the bar. Again, it's easier to get a second person to help you as they can catch the bar once you've removed the roll. If the roll is at least 5mm thick once it is wound up, then there will be enough left for another shoot, so pop it back with the other backdrops, otherwise you can place it in the storage room for disposal. And that's how you set up a backdrop on a backdrop bar system. If you have any questions, let us know, otherwise enjoy your shoot.